My man.
One.
Celebrity chef. Questa Walker in the building. What's going on,
What's
brother?
down, baby? How you doing, man? Celebrity chef Questa Walker the third, back in the building. You heard me?
Yeah, we here now, man.
Yeah, man.
I'm excited to have you here, man. You have an energy, a big energy that just, it makes me smile, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yes,
Every time you step into the room, you just got that energy, and you can't help but to gravitate towards your energy.
Yeah, man. Appreciate you, bro. I'm a happy person. Even during down times, I'm still happy. I'm blessed, bro. I just feel like things ain't as always complicated as it seems. You know?
For sure,
yeah.
for sure.
Yeah.
Keeping that positive outlook.
Yeah.
Man, so tell the people about yourself, man.
What's up, y'all? How y'all doing, baby? I'm from New Orleans, you heard me? I've been in Denver, Colorado now officially since 2019. I am a cook. I am a chef. I love cooking. Basically, just a high energetic person. Cook for a lot of your huge fan. If you're a fan of your favorite rappers, I cook for a lot of rappers, a lot of R&B artists, a lot of pro athletes. I am a chef up there at CU for the basketball team. I cook for them. So hey, baby, yes indeed, man. Questa Walker, you hear me? Good Creole soul food, Creole plant based. I do traditional dishes, but they're more conventional. You hear me?
Creole. So, of course, man, you can't ignore the accent. Where you from originally?
I'm originally from New Orleans, baby. I'm from Gertown. We call it Gertown, New Orleans. That's the 17 War. And that's why I went to Lafayette Elementary School, man, St. Monica, Cali School. A lot of people don't know. And yeah, baby.
That's what's up. That's what's up. So what got you into cooking?
Basically, what got me into cooking, my background, I was incarcerated, and I went to prison for a very long time for drugs and a firearm. My wild youth, I went astray from what my parents taught me. And during prison, I met a couple of guys, that worked in the kitchen. They put me in the kitchen. They were way older than me. Said, "Man, we're gonna show you something. You're gonna leave out here with a trade." Yeah. And that's where it started at, right there.
That's where it started.
Yeah,
so let's talk about that a little bit, man. Just you say you went astray a little bit. It's okay. We there.
Yeah, we got
we be there. But you got on that straight path, and now you living this life of positivity.
Yeah,
let's just talk about that change, man.
I think after the passing of my mom passed when I was very young, at 14 years old, and I kind of harbored those feelings. I ain't get no help and get no treatment, and I think it took a psychological effect on me. And so I became everything that she didn't want me to be. Yeah. She used to always tell me, "Don't hang on the corner with those guys. Don't move with those guys." And I just did it out of spite because I feel like she left me. You hear me? And so I started selling drugs, peddling, crack, toting firearms and things of that nature. Like I said, I went to street and I got caught. Went to jail by myself. You know what I'm saying? And the thing about it is, I was sentenced to a long sentence under the state of Louisiana, and I actually ended up doing 14 and a half years incarcerated.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, just for a small amount of drugs, $200 and a firearm. Yeah,
14 years.
14
man.
Yeah.
But you realize that wasn't worth it.
Nah, that wasn't worth it. Nah, that's not worth it. So you can kind of utilize your time in prison to kind of like set yourself up to go a different path when you get out in society. And so that's basically what I did. I did all the programs, got me a GED, because I ain't had graduated from high school. Did a lot of self-help books. I took up quite a few trades, culinary, things of that nature. Yeah. And that's what it was. Now, don't get me wrong. I don't want to sound like, oh, this guy just reformed himself. No, it took like 7-8 years before that Questa even came into existence. Because prison really break you down and transform you into a whole different person, you know what I'm saying? And so after you finally be able to catch yourself, you mature, you come of age. I went to prison at a very young age, 20 years old. So once you become a more mature person, more mature adult, and I got into my faith, which I'm a firm believer of Jesus Christ, and I just started growing. That's what happened. I started growing.
Absolutely. Love that, man.
You,
so now we fast forward.
Yeah.
We here now. So, I'm on Instagram and social media and all that. And I'm like, okay, I see this brother right here. Okay, I see you again. And then, I'm out at the concerts. I'm in the city. I'm like, man, okay, what's going on? This brother cooking for everybody. How did that come about, man?
I'm going to tell you how it come about, bro. And I pride myself on this. I just started conversing with the people I feel is overlooked. And the people who are overlooked are your security personnels, your DJs. Sometimes these people are overlooked. And so what I would do is, the first person I cooked for was Twista. Okay. And that's due to Lottie Scotty. Shout out to him. He did a video shoot. Twista, he embraced my food. He wanted seafood. I cooked up seafood for 2 days. He liked my food. He did a story on his Instagram. Next person I cooked up for was Styles P. Okay. And so I said, let me keep this momentum going. How do I do it? And so what I did is I would go to the venues early, right before the sound check and anything, and I go and I holler at the head of security. I say, hey man, how many people y'all got working in there? And you know, hey, we got about 26 people. Oh, okay. Well, look, check this out. I'm gonna lay up there since I had a parent that was a security guard. I said I want to feed the whole staff.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I said free as charge. And so they were like, oh, okay. I said, here go my Instagram, look at my food. I'm well known for good food. And they'll look right there. And I said, well, look, I got this menu. If you don't mind, can you get this menu? I got these special personalized menus that my assistant Janique make. And so I give them a menu, and I said, can you give this to your tour manager? You know what I'm saying? The tour manager of this tour, or can you get this to the manager or whoever in charge of the artist? I said, once they see that, they're going to want food too, and I'm going to add that on. So if it's 15 people plus y'all 26 people, I'm going to feed everybody for free. And that's how it came about.
Man, that's beautiful. So for one, that's wisdom. And that's networking.
Yeah.
And you dropped the gem with that, man, because I used to tell people. So I originally got into all this because I used to just make beats.
Okay, all right.
Make beats and graphic design.
Okay,
so I would say, man, like y'all trying to get next to the rapper
exactly.
and that big name.
Yeah.
Man, the engineer, the manager,
the assistant. Yeah, exactly.
Man, like if you got a trade or craft to help them out,
exactly, man.
Your services.
See, I looked at the security and the DJ as well, because before anybody get off into that venue, the DJ is already there.
Yep.
He there before even the sound check. He already working with the sound engineer. Then the security guy, because of the fact that they trust the security person with their life.
Yep.
Security not gonna direct them wrong. If security say, "Hey man, this guy got some good food," man, any artist gonna eat that food.
Yeah.
I'm talking about they have to protect. You know what I'm saying? Protect them.
Right.
So so that's why I say the security officer and the DJ. You know what I'm saying? And the people and the security of the venue. You know, they can make a lot of things happen for you. You'd be surprised.
Absolutely. Let's talk about the food a little bit, man.
Okay, let's talk about.
So what? If, I don't know who you are and I'm meeting you for the first time and I'm looking at the menu and everything look good, man, what is that signature dish? Questa Walker's going to be like, no, you need this one.
My signature dish is my Hit 'em Up, which is my pepper jack baked macaroni and cheese. Also, my spicy little wenches.
Okay,
all right?
what's
I got
that?
spicy little wenches. My spicy little wenches are these winglets, and they come in two sauces, buffalo or barbecue, and they baked with kiwi and pineapple, and they very well seasoned. I got the spicy little ones, and I got the lukewarm ones. I also come along with that is a veggie. Either it be my stepdaddy collard greens, or you know what I'm saying, I might just do a variety of veggies, but they're gonna be Creole seasoned and they're well seasoned. And then my sweet mama cornbread. So those 4 items is my signature dish.
Got it.
I'm known all throughout Denver for those 4 items.
Yeah, and the names are brilliant.
Yeah,
man.
thank you, man.
That's good branding.
Yeah.
So let's talk about events, man. What you got coming up? I know you got something special out there that you gonna let the people know about.
Oh yes indeed, man. So shout out to the Orchard, man, and everybody at the Orchard for giving me a huge opportunity. This is exclusive. I'm gonna let everybody know. So starting November the 18th, I am holding my own event. It's called Live on Location Monday Night Edition. And so this event, it tailors to the industry entertainment. The entertainment of the industry, and meaning all your dancers, all your sound engineers, all your bartenders, all your security personnel, anybody who make their money Thursday, Fridays, and Saturdays, and sometimes Sunday, we don't get a chance to party. We don't get a chance to go ahead and get your nails did up, get the fresh cut, put on the clothes, and we off in the club. So now that we have a spot like that, and it's from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. at the Orchard right there at 15 in Market. Y'all come on out. The food is going to be amazing. Drinks going to be amazing. Got a DJ this week, November the 18th. We got Mike Paradise going to sing. We also got Virgil Jardine. So that's what I got coming up. Huge.
That's fire.
Yes, indeed. Also, tonight I'm cooking for Baby Tron and BLB Kosher. They have a concert over at the Bluebird. Also, I'm cooking at Ball Arena for Don Toliver. That's a client of mine. Cooked for Don several times already. Good people. That concert going to be amazing. On the 22nd, I'm cooking up for G-Eazy. You know what I'm saying? At the Mission Ballroom.
Are you working?
Oh, yeah, I'm working, baby.
Yes,
indeed.
Stay working, man.
Thank you, baby.
Yes, I appreciate you coming.
Man, I appreciate you, Graffiti. Yes, indeed.
I'm hungry now, man. We gotta go get some.
I get some grub. I get some grub for my boy. Thank you, baby. Yes, indeed.
Yes, sir.
No, man, that is dope, bro.